There was an important legislature meeting of the BJP that actually swept the state a few days ago. Mohan Manji will be the new Odisha CM. He is BJP MLA, four-term MLA. Mohan Charan Manji will be the next Chief Minister of Odisha. K.Y. Singh Deo and Pravati Parida to be the Deputy Chief Ministers of Mr. Manji. There will be two Deputy Chief Ministers of Odisha. Remember, this was the time when Naveen Patnaik could not become a record-breaking sixth-term CM of Odisha. In fact, BJP swept the state, and BJP did extremely well in parliamentary elections as well as assembly elections, and those are the visuals of Rajnath Singh and of course other leaders of the party, including Sunil Bansal, Jwala Ram, Ashwini Vaishnav. Actually in the state today, Bhupendra Yadav was also sent as an observer, and Mohan Charan Manji has been elected the chief minister of Odisha. This is the Chief Minister of Odisha, a BJP Chief Minister of Odisha for the first time. Let's listen into what Rajnath Singh said today.
मोहन माझी जी को मैं सर्वसम्मत भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधायक दल उड़ीसा का मैंने नेता निर्वाचित घोषित किया है। इन सब सारे लोगों ने समर्थन किया और साथ ही साथ हमारे विधायक दल के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों ने तालियां बजाकर इसका जो है स्वागत किया।
I have my colleague Saurabh reporting on this very important development. Saurabh, what I hear is regional aspirations have been considered here. Mr. K.V. Singh Deo, the Deputy Chief Minister, comes from Western Odisha, Pravati Parida from Coastal, and of course Mohan Manji is a four-term MLA. His name was actually doing rounds. So for the first time, probably the BJP has gone with a name that was already doing rounds. But of course, there were other names that were also being speculated. Tell us the significance of the new Odisha CM that the BJP has appointed, and also the Deputy Chief Ministers there.
Well, yes, firstly, of course, what a relief for us reporters. We at least had a list of names that we were guessing, and one of them, of course, the front runners amongst them also was Mohan Manji, and he's now, of course, been elected by the BJP MLAs who won these elections and elected him legislature party leader. He's gone to the Raj Bhavan to stake claim, and of course he will stake claim to form government in Odisha for the BJP for the first time in the state. Now, the legislature party meeting took place here this evening, and Rajnath Singh was there. And tomorrow, of course, the swearing-in takes place with the Prime Minister also expected to attend the swearing-in in the evening tomorrow, in the afternoon tomorrow at the Janata Maidan. And this brings to an end a 24-year rule of Naveen Patnaik. Naveen Patnaik was, of course, with the BJD, and he's, of course, been invited also to the swearing-in ceremony, and is likely to attend the swearing-in ceremony. But like you said, the BJP in its first ever government has got the regional aspiration balanced very well. It's gone with a tribal face as Chief Minister. It's gone with someone, from the West as, Deputy Chief Minister, a senior MLA, a royal. And also, it's got a woman face from the coastal area in Pravati Parida as a Deputy Chief Minister. So, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Ministers, all balancing out the aspirations in the state. And that's something that the BJP, of course, many believe has done with very careful calculation.
Right. Thank you, Saurabh Gupta, for joining us with those details. Odisha gets a new Chief Minister. It's a BJP Chief Minister this time, Mohan Charan Manji, and he also has two Deputy Chief Ministers.